Check out this homemade jug. The motor's too big. It's really fast.
Okay, ready?
Here you go. Why is it not flying?
There's smoke. Did you see the smoke?
No. I wonder why it's smoking. Holy crap! You think the battery's gonna explode?
Do I think the airplane's on fire?
Do you think the battery will explode?
I don't know. Let's go.
Oh yeah, it's supposed to launch.
I hope not. Holy cow! Don't get too close. It might blow. I'm still filming. Oh, it's on fire! Oh no! Stomp on it. Oh, you got it at one try. What was it, the battery?
Speed controller, I think.
Speed controller. Well, this is a video to post on YouTube and give to Grandpa. Oh my goodness.
Good thing it didn't go through that battery.
Yeah.
I think it was the speed controller right there.
The battery would have blown. That sucks. Hey, the motor's good. Unplug it quick. Battery. Or
No, the motor's
speed
fine.
controller, we think. It was on fire. That was awesome.
I'm gonna let it cool before I touch it.
Good idea. The motor's fine, looks like. Ooh, hot. That's hot, don't touch it.
I don't want to unplug it. I'm gonna.
Oh my gosh, that's awful. Look at it.
Oh, it smells.
Yeah, it's burnt styrofoam.
Dude, that's a lithium polymer battery inside there. I don't want to touch it.
No kidding.
Should we run?
No.
No, grab the other thing over there, Chad. The flappy thingy.
If it.
Why did you land it upside down?
Why'd you? No.
Didn't you watch it flip over?
It flipped.
It
I
did a
lost
cartwheel.
control of it. As soon as it started to smoke, I lost control of it.
It did a cartwheel.
Right? See, it's still on, but
Nothing's happening.
Yeah, speed controller. Look at it, it's all melted down, it's dripping. That's awesome.
I think the receiver is okay. I can see the receiver inside there.
Yeah, the receiver looks fine. Careful, it's probably still hot. Wait, here, touch this, see if it's hot still. Oh, smelly.
Oh, dude, that's awful.